If fall isn't your favorite season on this game, you're lying. The first week on day 2, Lewis will once again need you to carry the weight of the town on your shoulders. Why did he even get elected for mayor if he isn't going to do anything? The first task I chose on the special orders board was the Juicy Bugs Wanted. Going into the mines multiple times on levels 21 through 29 will give you all of the bug guts you will need for this task. Be sure to put them in the barrel next to Willie's before the task ends. This special order will get you a quality bobber recipe and 3,000 gold upon completion. Going to the beach after the order is complete will give you a fun little cutscene with Willie playing with a big blob of bait. Fall is the season for apples. You will need 3 of them for the bundles. If you get a notice that your fruit trees aren't able to grow overnight, be sure to clear the surrounding 8 squares around the trees. If wood, stone, or weeds spawn in these squares, it will prevent your fruit trees from growing. I finally got a train to pass through the valley. These trains have the ability to drop coal and other resources depending on which one comes through. I also finally got cabbage seeds from the travel cart. I can plant these in the greenhouse once I get that unlocked. You will need a cabbage to complete the bundles. When you hit foraging level 6, you will be able to craft lightning rods. They will produce batteries only when there is a thunderstorm. You can easily scythe down any old crops from the summer, but you will still have corn, wheat, and sunflowers if they are still growing. Now is the chance to have the pumpkin patch you always wanted. Pumpkins sell for a base price of 320 gold. You will need 5 gold ones and 1 regular one for the bundle. Grow as many as you can because these take 13 whole days to harvest. Use fertilizer to hopefully get some gold ones. You will also need to grow a yam and an eggplant. Planting grapes is a good idea if you want to start making wine. Fishing in the fall means that the catfish are back. You will also be able to start catching sea cucumbers that you will need to save for future lucky recipes. Making sea cucumber bait is a great way to stack up on these. You will need to catch a tiger trout and a walleye for the bundles. When foraging, if you come across hazelnuts, be sure to hoard them. You're going to need them for future recipes. If you enjoyed the Stardew Valley's tips and tricks video, be sure to like and subscribe.